Hey, I rewatched most of my last video and realized I was over here a lot when I was showing things. I apologize. Again, disclaimer. I'm at my studio late at night just doing this unedited so we can get started. So if you did need to tear something out intricately, like you wanted this circle torn out, you can. Just take your time. Okay. Of course, it's not going to be as perfect as scissors, but that doesn't need to be the point. Okay. But you can do some intricate tearing. Practice some slow breathing. And get any organic or geometric shape you need. Boom. Ooh, that kind of looks like a robot head. Maybe I'll do that. Alright. And then with the cutting, the reminder is make sure I'm okay. Move this hand and this hand, or move this hand. Practice moving your hand you don't cut with more. Okay, and you can do really intricate stuff. I think I'll post a video, sorry if I said this in my last video, but I think he's called Mark, Paper, Scissors or something. He makes really cool solid color collages. And he says he draws with the scissors. He doesn't cut them out or draw them first and then cut on the lines. He kind of just draws with the scissors. So if that is of interest to you, do it. So yeah, collect things first. Be a treasure hunter first. Maybe one day you just collect things, and then the next day, the next session, you make it. Oh, it's not a race. Definitely not a race. I want you to make something cooler than I do. Alright. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.